Hi guys, I'm Hord and welcome to Java programming tutorial. In our last class, we discussed how to add data to our database from the program, and we added user information, that is username, password, first name and last name, into the database. In this tutorial, we will be verifying if the username has been selected or not. For example, we have this in our data section. We have official Hord showing twice, which is wrong. An application is not supposed to have more than a user on a username, so as not to confuse the user name with each other whenever there's a search for username. So we are going to be avoiding this error in future addition of information by using a result set and also a conditional statement. So go back to your coding section, open your NetBeans, go to your code section, and okay, after this connection con and prepare statement pst, next we'll be adding is a result set s rs equals null also. And so come down here and say string username text sorry, because so what do we want to test for? We want to check if the username that we have imputed has been used by another user. So first of all, we have to search for it. So we say select star, that's select all from admin where username equals single quote and double quote and plus plus, then say username dot get text. So I hope you understand this. Select all from admin where username equals username dot get text. So next line here, we're going to be saying if no, we'll say pst equals con dot prepare statement, but this time we are not preparing SQL, we're preparing username tests. I hope you understand. And next we'll say rs equals pst dot execute query, and execute query, here it is. So now in the next line we'll say if if rs dot next, that is if this is if a data carrying the same username is found, then system should say option pane dot show message dialog null, meaning it should be in the center screen and this username has been used. So once the username you have imputed is present in the database already, it would not accept it. It will simply tell you this username has been used. But what happens if it is not found in the database? We'll say else open brace and closing brace after this section of code we have used previously. So right click and run your file and let's test it. Okay, so first name, let's say John, last name Thomas, and username, let's say official Hord, since it is present in the database. And what password? You can use any password for your password. So click save and information saved. Okay, now the official Hord was wrong here. It is official Hord. So if we should add the I to this and click save, it says this username has been used. If we use the same official Hord we used for the previous one, as a check, we get the error. It says this username has been used. But if we change the user's name and say create, and we say Moses here, and click save, it saves. But if you try saving the same information again, it says the username has been used. So we have successfully created a barrier to stop two users from having the same username. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.